Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to create photo slideshows on TikTok. So launch your TikTok application and tap on this plus icon. Tap on templates and from here you can select any template to make photo slideshows. So I'm gonna selecting this one, upload photos, and I'm selecting photos from my gallery, tapping on OK, and here you can see I've successfully created a photo slideshow here. Now I can tap on next to upload the slideshow. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.